Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, the reply given by the Honorable Leader of the House, sir, stated that, okay, sir, there are two things, sir. The most important question is that, sir, the land allotted for an IT development is not taking up IT development work, but taking up residential activities over there. Sir, and another question was, that this land allotted to this so-called IT company is not a government but a Waqf land, sir. Fine, sir. That is a matter sub judice. The court will decide whether it is a Waqf land or a government land, sir. But, sir, there's one question which comes is that, so who's the custodian of the Waqf land, sir? Government is the custodian of Waqf land. Who should go for the protection of the Waqf land? Advocate General. But Advocate General appears in the court for the protection of the government's right and says that it is not a Waqf land. So against the Waqf Board's claim, it is a Waqf land. Now the question which I want to ask the Honorable Chief Minister Sahab is that, he said that equivalent land would be given to Waqf Board. So this Waqf land, sir, I would like to know from Honorable Chief Minister Sahab is that, after the judgment comes in the favor of Waqf Board, then only the government will give this land, or now itself the equivalent land will be given to the Waqf. One, sir. Second, sir. Second question is that, sir, Honorable Chief Minister mentioned that when a land is allotted for IT company, they can take up residential purposes for the IT demands and needs, sir. Sir, I would like to again want a specific answer from Honorable Chief Minister is that, sir, all the lands allotted in the name of IT companies, can they go ahead with construction of residential buildings? Sir, does this mean that it should be understood if a land is allotted for IT, is it understood that he can make an IT park or a construction park? Township. Is that, sir? And third, sir, Honorable Chief Minister was saying that in SEZ, it is an agreement, it is a line, it is a sentence, words are there. Clearly it is stated in SEZ that 50% processing for residential activity accommodation has to be created. I would like to know, Honorable Chief Minister, has the Gachibowli area been declared as an IT SEZ? No. Then how, sir? And sir, I would also like to know, sir, when the Honorable Chief Minister was saying that the IT growth has risen in the state, yes, sir, there is no second thoughts. It has really risen, sir. It has gone far ahead, sir. But at the same time, sir, when AP is going ahead, sir, AP has also become #1 state in India for allotting Waqf land to the IT companies. And the misuse of Waqf land is to such an extent where AP state has become a remarkable state in that. All the Waqf land, 11,000 acres, sir. Sir, lastly, sir, I would like to once again say that Honorable Chief Minister said that he never knew, sir. Sir, in 2006 and 7 also lands were allotted, sir. This is RTI, sir. Infosys ko jo land diye, sir. Dated, sir. Yes. That was an Waqf land. Matter was sub judice and still the government allotted the Waqf land to the Infosys, sir. Sir, उसके बाद में, sir, अगर समझना चाहिए कि कंस्ट्रक्शन ले जा सकता है, sir, ईमार को जो दिए, साहब. The land which was allotted to Emaar, sir, it clearly says Emaar Hills Township for township development, for residential apartments, for leisure.
Yes, Oasis have made your point.
Yes, no, sir. Yes. Sir, my demand is that, sir, all the IT companies, Lanco is not an IT company, it's a construction company. It is taking up construction activities. It is violating the agreement which was signed. Sir, and one more thing, sir. आपको बोलना चाह रहा हूं, sir, lastly, sir. इस पे आप फैसला करिए, sir. Sir, one question was admitted in this house, sir, on 15/2/2006, sir. 7, sir. ये question admit हुआ, sir, साहब. LAQ. इस house में जवाब दिया गया. Reply was given. How much are the extent of lands allotted to IT companies? Sir, उसमें you see here, sir, it is written clearly, Lanco land allotted for IT park. Sir, in this house also the reply was given that land is IT park. Now the Chief Minister says that they can take up the construction activities. And why this agreement, sir? Sir, if this agreement is wrong, sir, has any amendment been brought, sir? any fresh GO was
Yes,
issued,
that will be
with
mentioned.
that they can do.
Yes.
As far as the remarks passed on House Committee, sir, it is very sad, sir. A senior, I would say a senior legislature and a leader of a house and an honorable chief minister passing such remarks on House Committee. It is a very sad day, sir. It is a very sad day, sir. House committees are important, sir. House committee, they say House committees are mini assemblies. The word used for House committees are mini assembly. A leader of the House passes such remarks on mini assembly. It is very sad, sir. I request the Honorable Chief Minister to please withdraw his comments made on the House Committee, and my party doesn't demand a House Committee, sir, because House Committee, 6 months it will take, this House will not be there, sir. I demand immediate action against all those companies who has violated the agreement, and their land allotment should be cancelled,
Yes,
and the land should be taken back, sir.